Take a ride in the 2026 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, cloth seat trim, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.